3 ways to change audio volume. To begin, I added an audio to my timeline. The first way is to right-click on audio and select audio gain. In the pop-up you can set the gain to a specific negative or positive value. I use 5 decibels to increase the audio by 5 decibels. Also, you can adjust the gain by a value. For example, if I put -10 decibels, now my audio has a total gain of -5 decibels, which is 5 plus -10 decibels. For now, I use 0 and 5 decibels is okay for me and click OK. The second way is to select your audio, then go to Effect Controls. First, click on the stopwatch to disable it. Now change the value to your desire. Another way of changing volume is with speed ramp. Click and drag an audio track so you see speed ramp. Drag it up to increase volume, or down to decrease volume. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.